Pancha Mahabhuta, when earth, water, fire, air, and space become the architecture of life. Namaste and welcome to Naad, the IKS series by HSNC University, Mumbai, where we rediscover the sound of science and the science of sound. Today we expand the vast spectrum of Pancha Mahabhuta, the five great elements that form every atom, every thought, and every breath of life. Prithvi, the element of earth. From mountains to our bones, from soil to the structure of thought, Prithvi represents stability, strength, and structure. In Taittiriya Upanishad, it is said, Anam Brahmati Vyajanata. इसका अर्थ है, उन्होंने जाना कि अन्न ही ब्रह्म है. Matter itself is sacred, for it nourishes life. In modern science, Prithvi is the solid state of matter, the architecture of molecules. Civil engineering, material science, and geology all echo her wisdom. The element of earth teaches balance to stand firm yet nurture growth. The element of water, Apa. Apa is the flow of continuity, emotion, and adaptability. The Rigveda praises Apo Hishta Mayo Bhuva. Water are the source of joy and life. In our bodies, water governs circulation, emotion, and empathy. In engineering, it shapes hydrodynamics. In ecology, it defines sustainability. Where there is flow, there is renewal. The element of fire, Tejas. From the sun's core to the neuron's spark, Tejas is the principle of transformation. In Chandogaya Upanishad, it is said, Tejasah aharo anam. From fire arises food, from food arises consciousness. In modern terms, Tejas corresponds to energy and metabolism, the quantum dance of electrons. And without Tejas, there is no chemistry, no life, no awareness. Energy is sacred when guided by purpose. Vayu, the element of air, invisible yet vital. Vayu is the force of movement in the atmosphere and within us. Isha Upanishad says, Vayur nilam amritam athedam basmanta shariram. इस शरीर का प्राण सर्वव्यापी वायु में मिल जाए और यह शरीर भस्म हो जाए. The body turns to ash, but air is immortal. Vayu governs respiration and communication, both breath and speech, pranam and vak. In physics, it mirrors the laws of motion and fluid dynamics. Vayu reminds us that freedom and flow sustain life. Akasha, the element of space, Akash. Akash is not emptiness, it is potential. The Chandogaya Upanishad says, Akasho hi nama rupayoho nivartak. Space is the field where all names, all forms arise. In Indian science, Akash is the medium of sound, the ether through which vibration, Naad, becomes reality. Modern physics calls it the quantum field, the canvas of space-time. Space is not nothing, it is everything waiting to happen, from matter to mind. Together, these five elements, Prithvi, Apa, Tejas, Vayu, and Akash, compose not only our world, but our bodies, our thoughts, and our technologies. When engineers design a bridge, and architects design a space, or a scientist crafts a new alloy, they unknowingly do so and unknowingly echo the Pancha Mahabhuta philosophy. Prithvi is the material integrity, Apa, fluid dynamics, Tejas, energy systems, Vayu, aerodynamics, and Akash, acoustics and communication systems. Each invention is realignment of nature's five eternal forces. So innovation begins when we listen to these elements. Our ancestors didn't see the world as made of objects. They saw it made of relationships. Relationships between fire and water, earth and air, space and sound. The Pancha Mahabhuta remind us that the universe is not built It is balanced, and harmony, not hierarchy, sustains creation. Jai Hind.